Jay Haynes of the Film Sensei YouTube channel. I made a tutorial talking about the new text background feature in HitFilm 2023.1, and one of my followers commented that he wished there was a slider for transparency. Me too! Unfortunately, there's not, but you can make that happen pretty quickly. After you've created your text with background, start by duplicating the layer into a new track above. This is done by dragging and dropping the text while holding the Control key. Then turn off the background on the top text track. Now all you have to do is adjust the opacity of the lower track layer to the desired level. It's not ideal, but it works. Hopefully the developers will add a transparency slider to this in the future. I'm Jay Haynes, and this has been how to create a transparent text background in HitFilm. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.